Hello friends, it's Architect Zayed here. Welcome back to the continuation of our tutorial. Okay, in the previous class we stopped here. Alright, so that's very nice. We stopped in a very nice position. But I want to select all these walls and change it. Select all instances in the entire project. I would like to change it and later on edit some few things on the wall because there are a lot of things we would like to edit. Okay, so not for the entire thing, but some part of it will be edited, like color, because I don't really like it when it's alien brick. Though there are buildings like that, but I don't like a building with from every portion of the building to be brick. Right? Nice. Okay, we stopped here. This is the level one, and this is the second level. Right? The second level, you can see the underlay I showed you in the previous video. This is how to off the underlay, and boom, it disappeared. So in this video we're going to see how to load in some families like doors and windows, and I will show you same thing goes for the components. The way you will load the doors and the windows is same process with same way goes for the components are like extra stuffs like side table, computer, bed, um all those side things that doesn't have a family category. You can see window has a family category. A window is a general name. So there are casement window, there are sliding window, there are off windows, right? So there are a lot of windows, but for that of the door also has a lot of names. It has a lot of names. Sorry, I'm putting some English into it. It has a lot of names of the door, and likewise some other things. But the components are general materials or general family for all other things that do not have family category. So generally, you can see here. Here is where the component is, and this is our windows and doors, and our column also. So the component, you have two options. You can model in place. Model in place is like you creating it and putting it in that specific spot. You need a table, so you will just model it and leave it with it. And either you can move it or all those things. You model it within that project. But for the place component, you will only load in the project as a load in the saved family you already have, the default family. So all you have to do, if you click on place component, you will go to load family. So from here you can see my last spot was a residential, so you can click on US metric back again. So components are like this. Components are, let's go to encourage. So you see like mail, all these kind of things will go on that component. But if you say you're going to choose a component and you decide to say choose a window, you come in, choose a window. I don't believe it's gonna work. Why? Because it's not on that family category. Okay, so everything has its own family category except for the components. Things like doors and window, they have general names. Okay, so columns, there are those that are not family based category. You can see we have column in our architectural template, in our architectural tab. So but some are not under family category. You can import it with components, through components. Okay, so that's nice. Now let's bring in our doors and windows. So the doors, I will prefer the default, just the entrance door. I would like to change the entrance door. Here is our door. Okay, now go to residential, and I think this is okay by me. And the height of our building is 3 meters. I would like this big door. Good. So if you're going to place your door, you can see it's showing you some measurements. That measurements are temporary measurements. This is to show you if your your door or your window is equal in the position, is showing you the placing or the position, the measurements between that side and the other side. If you want to centralize it, if you see the measurement is up to that, and just click on that place and you don't have problem. So you can see these two arrows. This arrow shows, if you click on it, it changed direction, while this one's change it from left to right. You can see it will not show you here, except if we kind of create this type of door. You can see, if you transfer it, click on this arrow, if you click on this, you can see the slits change from one side to the other. So that's the how will I say, that's the use of our, oh, use of that arrow. Wow, my charge is about to finish. Okay, so we have our, this is our visitors room, and we have, this is the toilet, or should I say, yeah, toilet, and we have a bedroom here as well. Okay, and we have another door here straight to the kitchen. So the bedroom doesn't have a toilet. We're going to create one for it. Okay, so this place, we need a door for our, should I put it, where should I put it, should I centralize it? Hmm, who knows? Does it make sense? Centralize it. So, yeah, centralize it, no problem. Okay, and for this place, uh this is where our staircase is going to come up, and this, I think I said, is it the children's room, and for this and this, it's bedroom and study. These two things, very important. So this place, click on CS, right? CS is to create similar, and now drag this place all the way to here. So what I did is I created this. Though is big, is 900. Nice. And uh, oh, so this is like, and this is like a veranda, or like a sit out, sorry. This is a sit out for the master bedroom, so you can just, from the bedroom, you can come out and read your newspaper, likewise seeing the entire environment within the house. So we would like to split. Sometimes you say, how do I connect this or cut this? So we have the tool here. We have two types of tools. We have split and split with gap. Split with gap, if you click on it, you can see it creates a gap while splitting. But split alone means you will just, it will just split itself. That's just it. Okay, so they all work the same, they all have the same function, but different scenarios in terms of passing out the duty. Okay, so this one, I don't know why it's this way. All right, so great. Okay, this is just a very tiny toilet for the kids. Mm. All right, so we have our doors all ready, and now let's have in some windows. Windows. Or should I just say CS? Nope, sorry. Yeah, sorry, I kind of mistakenly pressed the wrong button. Okay, I said CS, right? Yes. I want the toilet right here. Mm, let us put it here. I think it's much more better. Okay, much more better. All right, so upstairs I also have toilet that needs a room that needs a toilet. I'll need it to be here too. Though I want it to lap with the one underneath it. Okay, so that's the main reason why this underlay is there, because if it is there now, you see this is not aligned, so I can now align my wall to my, see, really, so you can see it's now aligned. Likewise this one, I was really thinking it's going, most of the time it reduces the stress in structural design. If you have everything aligned, it's going to be very easy to have your structural design. Okay, let's bring in the windows. The same process as the door. Window, load in, alright, go back to US metric and now down W window. So what type of window do we want? Let's say sliding. Sliding goes with S, sliding double. Great. And this I want, this is the height, so I want this type, and this type, and click on OK. So it's loading. Wait for it a bit. Great. Now change the type you have. This is the one we want. Great. Pum. Here, here, and here, and here. Okay. Whoa, sorry. Battery too low. Here, and I think there should be much more fitting for it. I need to put my laptop on charge. Okay, so who else can it? Another window. Yeah, the foyer. So go up the next level, click on window again. It will be there. Alright, so this is showing you an underlay. We did not add, so I think we already added. Just for this to be aligned with what we have underneath. Okay. Right. This will be here. Okay. So this is the bedroom, master bedroom. So I think this master bedroom requires more than one. No. Okay. More than one should be great. Oh. I think we're going to stop here. We have something like this. So you can see we have our doors and windows situated correctly. Okay, so if you want to, wow, there are a lot of windows. If you want to change your height, you can see this sill height. This is the height from the wall to the bottom controllers. Let me save this. Okay, Sorry, the reason I'm saving is because I don't really have charge, so I did not shut down. Okay, so that's from the bottom to the height from ground to the bottom of your window. That's the sill height. So the moment you change it, it will change instantly. Let's say, for instance, make it 1.5. Click on enter. You see, it changes position. Control Z. Control Z. Okay, so guys, we're going to stop here. At least we learned something a bit. I can't really say much, but we learned something a bit how to add windows. So I will make this thing a bit exciting because yeah, it's really bad. It's really bad of this kind of thing, except is if it is at the front of the house. mm, we can utilize it for plantation or something, or parking space. I don't really know. Something has to use. It needs to be used. Okay, let's stop here for this video. Thank you very much for watching.